Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to Two at Two. So here we go. Now we're going to talk about my tree tags and we're going to work up here quite a bit. So I've moved the QR code down to the bottom. Don't forget to use it. So we're going to go to David Taylor's line, and his father Wilson Taylor is kind of a dead spot on my tree. So I'm going to add the tag brick wall. So right here I flag it up under research status tags. There's brick wall. I'm going to add brick wall. And I'm also going to do this to another person just to kind of let you see what you can do with this. So I'm going to add the tag brick wall. So I add this brick wall. Now I've added both of those. I'm going to end this. And now up here at the top where we talked about, you can do a tree search. So when you come up and you're wanting to resume and you're wanting to find out who I should be working on, I can click on the status tags brick wall, and look, it gives me a list of everybody that I have flagged with that status tag. And you can do that for any of the tags that they have. I mean, there's so many tags that you can pick from on the filters, relationship tags, life experience tags, DNA tags, and you can even create your own custom tags. So I created one for this video called Native American. So it was rumored that Wilson Taylor was also Native American. So we're going to come here, we're going to add the tag on him, say edit, and I'm going to add the custom tag. Well, I'm not going to create a custom tag. You can create your own there. But I'm going to add the custom tag, and that tag is going to be Native American. So now if I wanted to look through my tree at any given time later and see all of those that I suspect, maybe you could put suspected Native American or proven by Dawes rules, I can come to filters, do the tag here, click done, and now it's going to bring up a list of everybody. And because you can create custom tags, you can literally create any tag you want and assign it to people in your tree and be able to come back and research. One of the tags is actively researching, so you know where you left off. Let me know if you want to see more at 4. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget, every comment is a chance to win.